This is the injection mixing simulator, which is one of the modules in the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0. What it does is it simulates a hydronic injection mixing system. It has the typical pull-down menus for the circulator database, the valves and fitting database, and the fluids database. It shows a graphical representation of a circuit where some of the fluid is fed off into a distribution loop and then put back into the main, the heat source loop. The outputs are in the purplish blue background. The inputs are all in yellow. Let's get into the dynamics of the operation of this module. Okay, we start here with the start screen, and then we go to the icon that says Injection Mixing Simulator. Pick that, and now we're in. We have the yellow inputs, the injection circulator listed there, gallons per minute in the distribution loops, what's your design load of your distribution loop, required supply temperature for that design load. So these are all inputs, and your outputs are your temperature of the fluid going back to the boiler, the required CV value of this valve here for metering how much is going back into the distribution loop, and the output here is the temperature of the fluid leaving the distribution loop and the flow rate needed in the distribution loop. You can also pick the pipe size and then the length of the pipe and any valves or fittings you have in it. I'll accept it. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the interface for the injection mixing simulator. Thank you.